Welcome to my channel Knowledge Acumen. Hi, I am Sristi. In our previous video, we understand about knowledge and wisdom with example. Today, I will tell a story to explain this more easier for kids. Story name is The Two Parrots, Knowledge versus Wisdom. Once upon a time, there were two parrots named Mithu and Bittu. Mithu loved to read books and learn many facts. He knew the names of many fruits, the colors of all flowers, and even the days of the week in 3 languages. Bittu loved to watch and learn from nature. He would observe how the ants work, how the trees swayed in the wind, and how to find water when he was thirsty. One hot day, Mithu and Bittu found a big mango on a tall tree. Mithu said, "I know it is a mango, and I know it is sweet and yellow inside, but the branch was too high. Mithu did not know how to reach it." Bittu looked around, found a long stick, and knocked the mango down carefully. Then he stared it with Mithu. Mithu was surprised and asked, "How did you know what to do?" Bittu smiled and said, "You have the knowledge, Mithu, but I use wisdom to get the mango." Here, knowledge is knowing what a mango is. Wisdom is using what you know to get and share the mango. Moral of the story is knowledge is important, but wisdom helps you use it. Thanks for watching.